Oh,
we're filming Rowan drawing.
You're doing great.
Mm-hmm.
Hi, Rowan. Hi, Rowan, too. Stop unfocusing.
This is his video, okay?
Ooh.
I'll do one of you later.
Ooh.
You have to be super quiet if you're gonna be here.
Whoa. Clipboard. Hey, clipboard. You want to test? Always the clipboard. Here's the clipboard. We always this clipboard you could hold is so small. This clipboard you could hold so big. It's not even on YouTube.
Not until we're done.
I don't know if you can post it on YouTube, but I don't think you can. This is the plug.
Oh, nice.
Hey, baby ducks. Let's put your hats back on. Hello. It's cracked.
Oh.
It's cracked. And it has power. It has power to spin this off.
Bless you.
So when this is so much electricity. This is all so much electricity.
I wondered if that's what that was.
And then it goes straight up over to here. And then it starts electricity this up. Then when you pull it down, it opens this up. And then go check out your dog. Oh, how did you do this? It electricities that with a laser and it explodes with fire. He likes it on.
Nice.
Hey, puppy. Oh. You can see this is kind of fiery right here. He likes it
Yep.
in his eye. Well, it's more just a laser actually shooting out of the original laser from the wood. The wood gets so powered up that shoots out a very hot laser and heats up the whole wood that finally just cracks fire right here. See it start? That's where it cracks open.
That's so awesome, Rowan.
And then this is where it has a wire right here that starts to power this up so much that starts to power this up that powers up the core so much that powers up and uses extra shock laser to shock it even more. Yep. Can you take a picture of
All right. Are we done?
No. Help me.